Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel SciLogics, and our today's topic is coding part number 2, new pattern which is being given nowadays in the examinations. Let us start the video. If you are new to this video, kindly watch part number 1 of coding so that you can understand the concept of coding and the types of coding so that we can easily solve the questions which are being given in the present examinations. Now let us see the question how it is being asked nowadays in the examination. Here you can observe one should take risk. So this is the sentence and it is coded as like this. So here you can observe each word has been coded with a alphabet, with a symbol and with a number. That means for each word 3 codings are being given. Now we have to individually find what is an alphabet coding and how a symbol has been coded and what is the logic behind the number coding. Now we will see the possibilities of alphabet coding, symbol coding and number coding, and then we will try to analyze the question and find the logic behind the coding. Now let us see the possibilities individually. Now we have observed in the last question that coding has been done in 3 ways. That means each word, say for example, the word is like this. Say for example, master is a word and this word has been coded with 3 different alphabet, number and symbol. So now we have to understand the possibilities behind the alphabet coding, number coding and symbol coding. Now we will see the first case, that is possibilities of alphabet coding. So what can be the possibility? Number 1. The coding of alphabet can be the first letter of the word or the last letter of the word. So that means if the first letter is M and the last letter is R. So that means that alphabet which has been coded to the word may be the first letter or the last letter of the word. The second possibility is pair of the first or last letter of the word. So that means M is the first letter and the pair can be N and last letter R pair is I. So it can be either I or N. So that we have to see. And the third possibility is second and second last letter of the word. So second letter is A and second last letter is E. So this can also be a possible coding. And the next possibility is pair of the second and last second letter. So pair. So A pair is B and E's pair is V. It can be either B or V. And the fifth possibility is the middle letter. Here there is no middle letter because it is a even number. Sometimes if the odd number of letters are available in the word, it can be the middle letter of the word also. And it can be the vowel of the word. Here there are 2 vowels. In case any of these vowel or if only one vowel is available, that vowel can be the code for the alphabet. And the seventh possibility is next or previous letter of first or last letter. So here first letter is M, the next letter can be N and the previous letter will be L. So either of NL, previous letter of last letter is Q and the next letter of last letter is S. So that means either of QS can be the code. And the eighth possibility is highest or lowest letter of the word. So that means here the values of the alphabets, if you can see, the least letter can be A because the value of A is 1 and the highest letter is T, the value of T is 20. It can be either T or A. And the last possible option is highest, least, vowel or consonant. So like this, there are 9 possibilities are there where alphabet can be a coding for the word. Next, see the number coding possibilities. So these are the possibilities for number coding. You see, number 1 choice is number of letters of the word. So let us consider the same word here also, master. The first choice is number of letters. Number of letters is 6. So that can be a code for the given word. And the second option is number of letters plus or minus n. That means it may be more than number of letters. That means 6 plus 1, it may be 7. Sometimes less than number of letters, that is 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Either of these two, or sometimes plus 2 plus 3 or minus 3 also can be given. So number of vowels in the word. So in master, how many vowels are there? A and E. So that is 2. So fourth possibility is this number of vowels plus or minus. So it may be 2 plus 1 or 2 minus 1. And the next choice is number of consonants. Here in this word consonants, if 2 are vowels out of 6 and the consonant total will be 4. And the next choice is plus or minus consonants. So it is 4 plus 1 or 4 minus 1. And the next will be the place value of first or last letter. So first letter is M. So the place value of M is 13. If it is last letter R is 18. And at the same time, next possibility is pair value of first and last letter. So pair value of M is N, that is 14, and R is I, that is 9. And the next possibility is sum of the letters of the word. So sum of the letters means M13 plus A1 plus S19 plus T20 plus E5 and plus 18. So if you add these total numbers, and we can put the sum of the numbers and sum of the vowels. So this is also like sum of letters, sum of the vowels here. And the next the possibility is sum of the consonants. And next possibility is first letter or last letter. So first letter is 13, 13 plus 1 or 13 minus 1, or sometimes last letter 18 plus 1 or 18 minus 1. And sometimes the square number of total number of letters. Here there are 6 letters, 6 squares are 36. So it can be the cube of the number of letters, that is 6 cube, that is 216. And number 15th possibility. So number of letters depending on even number count, odd number count and prime number count, the alphabet can be changed as number. So these are the possibilities of number coding. And if we see about the possibilities of symbol coding, the possibility is first letter or last letter. Depending on the first or last letter, a symbol can be given. So say for example, it is master again. So here first letter is M. So this M may be represented with a different symbol. And for R there may be another symbol. So depending upon the first or last letter, a symbol can be coded. And depending on the first or last vowel, a symbol can be coded. And depending on the first or last consonant, and depending on the number of letters, if the number of letters of the word is even, one particular symbol. If it is odd, another type of symbol. If it is prime, a third type of symbol can also be coded. And depending on the number of vowels, a symbol can be coded. Depending upon the number of consonants, symbol can be coded. So these are possibilities of alphabet coding, number coding and symbol. Let us start analyzing the question, and after analyzing, let us see how fast and how good we can answer the questions. Now take question number 1 here. One should take risk has been coded like this. We have got alphabet coding, symbol coding and number coding. Let us understand what is the relation between the coding and the question. You see here, total 4 sentences, we have got only 2 symbols. So one is @ and the other one is hash. Now see to which alphabets @ has been coded and to which hash has been coded. You see in first sentence 3 @ are there and only 1 hash. If you can observe this, it is very easily understood that one has got only 3 number of alphabets and should has got 6 number of alphabets. Take 4 number of alphabets and risk 4 number of alphabets. So these 3 words has even number of alphabets and this particular word is having odd number of. We may take a chance that 3 even number alphabets have been coded as @ and 1 odd number has been coded with hash. Whether our assumption is right or wrong, we will check and confirm from the second statement. Second statement, its is having 3, for is having 3 letters, your 4 and future 6. Here 4 and 6 are even numbers, 3 and 3 are odd numbers. So Here if you can see there are two at the rates and two hash. So it is very clear that our attempt of analyzing that even number is represented by at the rate and odd number is represented by hash is correct. So that is the symbol coding that we have understood. Now if you can see the question, what is the code for qualify? Now you see in qualify how many letters are there? So there are 7 letters. So what is the symbol to be represented here? Now we will see how a number and alphabet is being represented. So here 3 at the rates are there, all the 3 belongs to the even numbers. So first we will leave this and we will see only this particular one so that we can understand it very easily. So that means only odd case is 1. So here 1. 1 is the word for which this is the code. Now you see, is there any relation between M and any of the letters available here? Yes, it is clearly visible that M is the previous letter of the second letter, that is N. Now see where all hash is available. So here one hash is there. Here another hash is there. We will see whether the same logic has been used or not. Now here it is its and for. So here what we have understood, previous letter of N is M has been coded here. Now if you can see it is second letter is T and previous letter of T is S. And here O's previous letter is N. So now we can come to a conclusion, wherever hash is there, the previous letter of the second letter is being coded. And now have a look at the rate. So here in this last sentence we have got only one at the rate. So here if you can analyze, it will be very easy. So at the rate means even number of letters. So only even number of letters is here. Till we have got 4 number of letters, that is even number. And see whether J is having any relation with any of these letters. Yes, I is there. I next letter is J. So in odd numbers cases, previous letter has been taken. So O and N. So T and S. Previous letter has been taken. Whereas in even number case, I has been coded with the next letter, that is. So let us confirm with, so V at the rate of 22 and P at the rate of 9. Let us see here. So O, since this is having 4 number of letters, that is even number, the concept will be O next letter should be the coding. O next letter is P, so that has been tallied. And the next U, after U the next letter shall be V, and that is also has been tallied. This is for even and hash is for odd. And the letter, if you can say, for even the next letter of second letter, for odd previous letter of second letter. So qualified, since it is a 7 count odd number, so we have taken hash, and for odd numbers the second letter previous letter shall be the alphabet coding. U previous letter is T, and now we have to see the number. Let us understand the number here. So here in the first case, for 1 M hash 22 is the answer. Now what is the relation between the number and the alphabet? That you can observe here. 22, there is a relation with 22 and E. E actual value is 5 and E's pair value is 22. So that means last number pair value is being coded as the number. So that you can observe here also in the last sentence. You can see this N and 8. So 8. See here. Yes, S is 19 and 19 plus 8 equal to 27. So that means for S the pair value is N is 14 and the pair value is 13. So that has come here. So it is very clear. So pair value is the number here. So now the number coding is pair value of last letter. In the same way, here the last letter is Y. Y is 25 and the pair value of 25 shall be 2. So this is the code for qualify. So this is how we have to find the answers. Now let us see. Next question is success. So first we will see the last letter is S and the pair for the last letter is 19. S is 19 and the pair is plus 8. So 8 is the number that will be coded, and here the number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 number of letters. Since it is an odd number, we will take hash. When odd number count is given, the second last number, when odd number is given, the previous letter of the second alphabet is the answer. So previous letter of U is T. So it is again T hash 8. And let us see the next question. For set goals. So two words have been given. Individually we will do. Set has got 3 letters. So again we will take hash. Last letter is T and T's value is 20. So pair value is 7. And if the count is odd number, then we have to see the previous letter for the second letter. So E previous will be D. So D has 7. And for goals is also an odd number with 5 letters. So again here the answer is hash. Last letter is S. S is 19. The pair value will be 8. And when the count is odd, so previous letter of, when the count is odd, previous letter of second letter should be taken. So O's previous letter is N. So the answer is D hash 7 and N hash 8. We will see the fourth question also. Here maintain. In this maintain we have got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. 8 numbers means even. The answer will be at the rate. And last letter is 14. Pair value of 14 is 13. When even number count is there, the next letter of second alphabet, that is B at the rate 13. And speed is having 5 total number of letters. So this is hash. And the last is D. D is 4. The pair value shall be 23. When the count is odd, the previous letter of second letter shall be taken. So that is O hash 23 is the answer. And the next question, think positive. Think is 5 letters, that is odd. So answer is hash. Last letter is K. The value is 11. The pair value is 16. When the odd count is there, previous letter of the second letter, so that is G. And here in positive we have 8 letters. So this is even. So hash, 8 letters. So at the rate. And last letter is E. E value is 5. So pair value shall be 22. When even count is there, the next letter of second letter, that is P. So P at the rate of 22. So like this, once the logic is analyzed and understood, it will be very easy to solve the given questions. Let us see here, listen the point carefully. So here there is no symbol, but one number and 2 alphabets have been given. If you can observe this number, so this is 20, 12, 36, 24, 12, 20, 24, 20, 16, 12, 28, 32, 20, 20, 28, 24. So what conclusion you will get? It appears that these are all the multiples of 4. Keeping this in mind, now let us count the number of alphabets in each word. So in listen we have got 6 alphabets. So that means 6 into 4 can be 24. So this can be the code for listen. So that means first alphabet, first word. Now it is 3. So this can be 3 into 4, that is 12. So here 12 is there. This can be the code for second word. And here it is point. Point has got 5 letters. So 5 into 4, 20. So this can be the code for third word. And carefully 9. So this is 9 fours are 36. So it has been very clearly understood that the number of letters in each word into 4. So that is how the number has been coded. Now let us see these two letters. So now we have understood that this is the code for the third word. Third word is point. Now see whether point has got any relation with OG. Yes, it is clearly understood. O is the second letter. So if you can write point here, it will be very easily understood. The second letter has been coded as the first letter. And G can be the pair of the last letter. So TG is good. So like this, it might have coded. So we will compare with the other word and we will decide. So this we have taken an assumption that this is the code for the second word. Here we can observe the second letter has come first and V is the code for E. Eve. So that is also tallied. And now fourth letter we will take carefully. We will see whether this is also tallying or not. Carefully. So Y pair is B clearly and the second alphabet is A has come here. And the final one is listen. N pairing is M and the second alphabet has come first. So this is very clear. So second alphabet has come first. So second letter has come first and followed by pair of last letter followed by number of letters into 4. So this is the logic involved here. Basing on this logic, we will try to find the answers for the given insert. Insert having 6 alphabets. So that means 6 into 4 equal to 24. And the pair of the last letter, that is T, T is G. And the second letter has to come here, that is N, NG24. And here it has got 4 alphabets. 4 into 4 is 16. So last letter L pair is O. And the second letter has to come here, that is E. EVO 16. In the next question, what is the code for scheme? Scheme is having 6 letters. So 6 into 4, it is 24. And now pair of the last letter, that is E pair is V. And the second letter has to come here, that is C. Now with we have got only 4 alphabets. 4 into 4 is 16. So H pair is S and the second alphabet is I. So that will come like this. And incentives we have 4, 8 and 10 letters. So 10 into 4 equal to 40. And the pair of the last alphabet, that is S pair is H and the second letter will come as it is, that is N. And the next question is, what was the possible word for the code? So possible word means not exact word. So we have to see 36. 36 we know it is the multiple of 4. So if you divide 36 by 4, we will get the total number of letters in a word. So 9 letters should be there in the word. In option number 1, we have got 9. This can be the answer. In option number 2, we have got only 7. This is not our answer. In option number 3, we have got 8. This is also not our answer. In option number 4, there are 9 letters. This can be the answer. In option number 5, there are only 8. This is also not our answer. Now, we will see that this letter is the pair of the last letter. H and S, these two are pair. Whereas N pair is M and M is not here. So, option number 1 is the wrong answer. Answer is only option number 4. Now, what is the code for yellow blanket? Yellow is having 6 letters. So, 6 into 4 equal to 24. And W pair is D. And the second alphabet is E, as it is, it will come here. And blanket, there are 7 alphabets. So, 7 into 4 equal to 28. And pair for the last letter, that is G, and the second alphabet is N. So this is the code for the second. And now next question, if you can see, so tree air clean May. This has got three codings: alphabet, symbol and number. Now let us observe this. See the number first. It is 15, 9, 9, 15, 9, 9, 9, 15 and 9. Odd numbers are 9 and 15 and even numbers are 6, 8, 4 and 16. So that means it can be predicted that these two are divided by 3 and these four are divided by 2. In other words, we can say that 9 and 15 are multiples of 3 and 6, 8, 4, 16 are multiples of 2. Now with this concept, let us see what is happening here. So here the total number of letters is 4. Here it is 3. Here it is 5. Here it is 3. Now if you can observe here, so one type of alphabet, that is odd numbers are multiplied by 3 and even numbers are multiplied by 2. So if this concept is applied here, if you multiply these two, 4 2s are 8. So that is clearly visible here. 4 2s are 8. So that means this may be the possibility of word number 1. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. 3 3s are 9. If you can see this, 9 is here, 9 is here and 15 is here. So that means it has been understood that odd numbers are multiplied by 3, even numbers are multiplied by 2. We will see whether the same concept has been followed in the other places or not. Here train is 5, 5 3s are 15, this is 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 into 2 and 3 into 3. See here, this is 15, this is 9, 8 and 9. The same numbers are here, 9, 8, 15 and 9. So it is very clear, when the number of letters is odd, they are being multiplied by 3, and when the number of letters are even, they are multiplied by 2. So that is our first concept. And if you can understand this, 15, so that means this is the code for word number 3. And these two are 9, that we will check whether which 9 belongs to which item. Now we will try to derive the code for letter. Here it is I. So this can be the possible code for word number 1. So that is tree. From this tree, can we get the possibility of I? Yes. Here there is a relation. If you can write tree here, it can very easily be understood. You see the second letter pair. Second letter is R. R and I are Indian Railway. It is a pair. Here if you can see, this is clean. This second letter is L and the pair of L is O. So that means it is clearly understood. The second letter pair is the first alphabet. Here if you can see, this is the Z. So that means this is word May. May will have second letter A and the pair of A is Z. And here it is air. Air I is the second letter and the pair of I is R. In the same way, if you can see here, so this is train. Second letter is R and pair of R is I. And here it is fast. Second letter is A and A's pair is Z. And here it is way. Second letter is A, A's pair is Z. Now it is all. Second letter is L, L pair is O. So likewise, so now it has been decided the alphabet. Now it is understood first concept about number. When the odd count is there, it has been multiplied by 3. If the count is even, it has been multiplied by 2. And regarding alphabet, it is the pair of second letter. Now we need to understand the logic of symbol. So before going to symbol, we have to see whether the logic of symbol is to be analyzed and understood or not. So that you can decide from the options, because if you are keeping analyzing the question every part, it will consume your time. Sometimes there will not be any need to understand the logic behind the symbol. So now first see the question, and then if it is required to analyze the symbol, then we'll come to the third part. Now let us see question number 1 here. What is the code for environment? So now see whether they count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is odd count. When odd number has come, we have to multiply it with 3. So 11 3s are 33. If you can see, this is 20, 21, 22, 23 and 33. Only one option is there. Option number 5 is the answer. So here there is no need to check for the symbol. So likewise, after finding two answers, better you go to the question. Now number 2, what is the code for inside? Inside we have got 6 alphabets. 6 is an even number. So even number is multiplied by 2, that is equal to 12. So this is not the right answer, this is the wrong answer, this is the wrong answer. We have got two options. Now we will see what is the alphabet. Alphabet, one is R here and other one is M here. So the logic says the pair of the second alphabet. Second alphabet is N and pair of N is equal to M. The answer is 2. What is the code for air high? Air we have got 3. So 3 3s are 9. So here 9 is there, here also 9 is there, and every answer we have got 9 except 5, so this is not our answer. In high we have got 4 alphabets, so 4 2s are 8. So here 12 is there, this is not our answer. Here 9 is there, this is also not our answer. So in these two choices we have got 8. See what are the options available here? It is air and it is high. See whether any of the alphabets is available in our question or not. Yes, high air is there in statement number 1. So here it is clearly indicates that R percentage 9 is the code for air. So if R percentage 9 is the code for air, answer is only 3 and this is the wrong answer. Now what is the possible code for university? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here there are 10. 10 2s are 20. So only answer available is option number 3. So like this, before analyzing the total logic, better you go and see the questions whether it is required to analyze the whole concept. So let us see the next question. Here the coding is done with 2 alphabets, 1 symbol and 1 number. Now first we will take the 2 alphabets and see whether there is any relation with the words of the statement or not. So G is not at all available anywhere in the statement, only festival for student. No G has been available. But yes, we can see here in student. So that means the first letter of the word has become the second letter. We can take an assumption. Yes has become the second letter here. If you can observe this, G is the pair of the last letter, that is T. And 8 is the pair value of the first letter. So first letter has become second letter. First letter pair is the last number, and last letter pair is the first letter here. So the first letter has become the second letter, and first letter pair value is 12, O is 15 and 12 is the pair value, and the last letter, that is Y pair is B, that has come here. So first letter has become the second letter, and last letter pair, that is O, is here, and first letter pair value has come here. The first letter has become the second letter. The first letter pair value is 21, has come last, and R pair is I, that is in the first place. In the same way, if you compare here also, so last letter pair is W, first letter has become second letter, first letter pair is 19. Last letter pair is P, first letter becomes second letter, first letter pair value is 4. And here it is plus, last letter pair value is H, first letter becomes second and first letter pair value is 11. Last letter pair is P, first letter becomes second letter, first letter pair value is 15. So this is how the logic has been analyzed, and regarding symbol we are not trying to analyze anything. We will straight away go to the question, and if it is required then we will come back and we will see what is the symbol is. Now what is the code for next time? So next means first letter has to become the second letter, that is N, and last letter pair shall be the first letter, that is G, and first letter pair value is the last number, so that is 30. We are not very clear about the symbol, so I am not writing anything. So GN13 shall be there, but here it is GN7, so this is not the right answer. And we see about time. So first letter has to become the second letter, so that is T, and first letter's pair value is the last one, so T7, and last letter's pair shall be the first letter. So VT7, here VT7 is there, here also VT7, here also VT7, here also, but here VT7 is not there, it is TV7. So now we have two options deleted and 1, 2, 3 are there. If you can observe in each part, in first sentence, see the symbols, it is percentage, it is dollar, it is hash, and it is at the rate. That means for every word, a different symbol has been coded. Even here, dollar, percentage, at the rate, hash. Percentage, dollar, hash, at the rate. And at the rate, hash, dollar, percentage. So that means it is very clearly observed, in no sentence two same symbol has been coded for two words. So in this way, if you can observe option number 4, these two words have been coded with the same symbol. So this is not mentioned in the question. So option number 4 is the wrong answer. And even if you see option number 2, the same symbol has been coded for both the words, so this is also wrong. So finally our right answer is option number 5. Now what is the code for U create history? U means the last letter pair shall be the first letter, U's pair is F, and first letter is to be the second letter Fy, and pair value of first letter is 2, so Fy2 shall be the answer. Here Fy24 is there, so option number 5 is the wrong answer. And create last letter pair value should be our first letter, that is V. Second letter, first letter has to become the second letter, and first letter pair value should be the last number. C's pair is 24. So VC24 is our answer. Here CV is there, this is not the right answer. And history, so last letter pair is the first alphabet, that is B, and first letter has to become the second letter, and pair value of the first letter, this is 8, and last it is 19. So BH19 should be there, here HB is there, this is the wrong answer. So we have got two options now. So now here Fy should be there, but here YF is there, this is also not the right answer. So answer is option number 3. And the next question, utilize time. So utilize last letter pair value is V, first letter should become the second letter, and first letter pair value is the last number, that is 6. VU6 should be the answer, this is the wrong option. And VU6, this is 7 is mentioned, this is also wrong. And time, pair of the last alphabet should be the first one, so that is V. And first letter has to go to second place, and the pair value of first letter should be the last number, so that is 7. So VT7 should be the answer. Here TV7 is there, this is also wrong. Now we have got two options, 1 and 4. In fourth option we can observe that two same symbol has been mentioned, which is not right according to the problem, and the answer is option number 1. So this is how we can very easily solve questions once the concept of coding is understood. So hope you have understood this, and please like my video, and if it is worth shareable, share my video to your family and friends who are preparing for competitive examination. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and kindly join my Telegram channel, which is mentioned in the description.